let's move to AI for a second. Less murky, than cloud or even more opaque because it's exploration of my own data um, or market data plus my own data or things of that nature. How is that evolving, or what are some of the checklist challenges that you're seeing there?
As with blockchain, there's sort of a huge universe out there. I talk with a number of different clients that are using machine learning in some very interesting ways, mostly around financial services because that's the kind of work that I do most of the time. But what you start to see is that people are really looking for ways to get machines to think intelligently about data. And I know that sounds like a little bit of inexact way to say it, or maybe competing way of saying things, but the complexity of the algorithms that people are able to develop nowadays are such that the machines are effectively thinking about the data, and they're thinking about it at speeds that human beings are not capable of, and they are able to integrate many concepts from different areas and different ideas into one holistic approach. So for example, in some of the trading aspects that we see, people are trying to use machine learning to pull in all different kinds of data sources to try to look for signals about when to buy or sell a particular type of financial asset. And some of the things that they're pulling in are not just the market data, not just things that they specifically know, but the outputs of research that they're getting. They're looking at, for example, satellite imagery to try to understand, hey, is this going to be a good Christmas season or a not so good Christmas season for retailers? Because as we look at malls, we're seeing the parking lots are fuller than last year or emptier than last year, right? And so trying to use those kinds of data to create signals to make trading decisions is where people are headed.
Well, you better tap into Amazon because no one's going to malls anymore anyway.
I'm sure that is a treasure trove of data that many people would love to have.